how to use Filmora. First of all, you have to download it from Google. Filmora 9. The first icon you see, you click on it to download. So you go through the download processes, then you install. After installing, okay, it's loaded. Then you do full download, either you're using Windows 7 or MacBook, or you depends on the system you're using. If it's Apple system or just normal Microsoft, then you download it. I already got it already. I've downloaded and installed it. So this is it. So this I'm going to teach you on how to import videos to your Filmora and to edit. As you can see, drop your video clips, images or audio here, or click to import media. It will bring out a window. It will bring out a window. Whatever you want to edit or to edit a video, you look for it here. Computer, anywhere it is. So which one should we do? Okay, let's try one of my videos. Let's try one of my videos. Let me try. So wherever folder it is, and look for it. So I want to take one of my videos. Yeah, this how to download YouTube videos. If you are subscribed to my channel, you have seen this video. Added like subscribe and so for you to edit the video, you bring it down here, you click and drag. Okay, name is another one. Let's use the sample videos. So we got travel 1, travel 2, travel 3, travel 4, travel 5, travel 6. I think that's the last. Yeah, and travel 6. So yeah, let's just make a nice video out of this. Let's check this beach, the island. Okay, you click and drag to bring it to the panel, this panel. Then yeah, so for you to know if there's any gap or distance between these two videos, you have put, you go near the division mark. Then this is zoom panel. The zoom panel, you increase it. I cannot see any gap. Okay, see the gap, so you close it up. Yeah, perfect. So let's go there. Let me delete this. For you to delete a video, you click on it, then you right click, then choose delete or repo delete. Both of them works. So let's start our video. Travel 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's check if there's any gap between them. You can see gaps, so you have to close them up. Yeah, okay, let's check it out. Okay, so I want to edit this thing. Like, the beach was here, so this is what I'm going to do. You can create other panels, like by clicking and dragging. Okay, let's try with 6. Let's bring it on after the beach. Then you will have to bring them together, since the gap between them has been a gap between them has been created. So you have to close them so that there will not be any sudden blank in the video. Okay, let's play from the beginning. It is still going because there's another one there. So we can still do some editing on this. So let's check it out.